They created for each one of us specifically to follow not only in terms of dieting, but also in terms of exercise. Everybody say exercise. The way the global nutrition experts, they simply believe that by exercising 20 minutes every day, we are increasing our lifespans by 20 to 30% more. Do you want to live longer? Yes! So we need to exercise regularly, and by exercise, it means that we need to increase our heart rate by 60 to 80% more. So with this, the Burn program, along with the products that they have created for us, it will surely increase our lifespans. So what are this? Okay, there are parts of this. When you receive the Burn program, we have the Burn Slim, we have the Burn Meal Replacements, we have Live and Burn, we have the Diet Plan, and we have the DBD Workout, okay, designed by Miss Felicia Romero, which is an international fitness instructor, okay? Burn means body under right nutrition. So we follow the diet program, the food to eat, the food to prepare. We take the supplement, we take the meal replacement, we take the Live and Burn. We follow the Burn workout, and we're surely to shed fats quickly. Okay, now what are these products? First, the Burn Slim. Everybody say Burn! Burn! What are the components of Burn Slim? Okay, it has Garcinia cambogia that has proven content of hydroxycitric acid. It has EGCG. Okay, it's the main ingredient of green tea extract. It has CLA or conjugated linoleic acid, L-carnitine. The purpose of these main ingredients basically is to block sugar, to block carbohydrates from being absorbed in our stomachs, and also to increase metabolism. So you lose weight even though you're sitting down. You lose weight even though you're sleeping. Is it good or very good? Okay, Burn Slim. It's halal certified. 30 tablets made by Raider Global Nutrition in the US. In partnership with Burn Slim, they also created a meal replacement shake, which we called Burn MR or Burn Meal Replacement Shake. The components are basically the same. Okay, it's a low-calorie meal replacement program. We will replace our biggest meal every day. Let's just say our biggest meal is our lunch or dinner. Let's just say it's our lunch. Instead of taking our lunch, take one fruit. Let's just say it's an apple or a banana, and then mix this one sachet with milk and ice and blender it, or just mix it with plain water, and it will be your lunch. And the good thing with this product, you won't feel the hunger. You won't be, it would give you the satiety effect, meaning you would feel full. Okay, am I clear? Yes. It would make you feel full, so you won't be eating anymore. Okay, and then it will also increase your metabolism. So even though you're just sleeping, you're burning fats. And along with the diet program, along with the workout program, you will surely shed fat. Also, this is halal certified, and it has cookies and cream flavor. This will be the best tasting, the most nutritious meal replacement shake in the world. It has your usual vitamins, minerals, along with aloe vera gel, L-carnitine, FCA, and all of those good stuff for us to increase our metabolism and lose weight. Other than that, guys, we're also launching our newest Live-In variation, which we call Live-In Burn. So while you're sipping our wonderful Live-In coffee, you're burning fat. Okay, so it's a package. You have the Burn Slim, you have the Burn Meal Replacement, you have the Live and Burn, you have the DBD Workout Program from Felicia Romero, and then you have the diet program, the proper foods to eat. Okay, it's a complete system. It has Carnipure, 150 milligrams of Carnipure. It has 0 calorie, sweetened by stevia, which is an all-natural sweetener. Okay, it also has a green tea. It also has a Garcinia cambogia. It also has a anhydrous coffee. Okay, anhydrous caffeine, by the way. Carnipure, it has the most pure or the highest and the purest L-carnitine form coming from Switzerland. Can you imagine that the ingredients of this coffee are in fact coming from Switzerland? So that it will become very, very effective for each one of us. So watch out for these new products that we'll be launching very, very soon here in Dubai. Are you excited with this? More great news, guys. Here, we're transferring to a bigger, better, and more accessible office. We just talked to and negotiated with our contractor. We're actually renovating a 250 square meter with a veranda of 150 square meter in Sharjah Islamic Bank Unit 202 in Port Said, opposite Greenhouse, Dubai. It's very, very near the train station. Okay? And then we're also opening up our Abu Dhabi office beside City Season Hotel, located at Building C88, Unit 603, Abu Dhabi. Are you excited with this? New products, new offices, okay? Great marketing plan, easier US trip, qualifying requirements. And then when we launch the VidaMax and the CardioPulse, we will be sending CardioPulse technician to operate the CardioPulse gadget not only in Dubai but also in Abu Dhabi. So all of our products, all of our services will be made available in our 2 offices here at the United Arab Emirates. Are you excited for this?